mate, did you know I can use this stuff on other things besides paper mache?
What you want? What you want?
Wait just a second here. This isn't going to be a tutorial or even anything to do with really mache video. This is going to be more of a where have I been video. Well, so far the biggest question's been where have I been, and have I been okay, and all that good stuff. Well, I'll give you a little explanation on what's happened and why I haven't made a whole lot of videos. So last summer, as a matter of fact, the Thursday before Memorial Day weekend, coming home from work, I'm in my truck. Well, let's make that more of a truck. Okay, see, so that's a truck, and that's me in my truck. So I was coming home from work because, as you can see, it was raining. It was raining really, really hard. As I was pulling into the driveway, I noticed that the manhole cover out front was spewing water out the top. I'd never really seen that happen before, but anyway, didn't think much of it and went on inside, went downstairs to my bedroom, changed clothes, dried off a bit, came back upstairs, and started watching some TV with my wife. And we relaxed for about an hour or so, and then we were going to run uptown to get some groceries, and I heard water, running water from downstairs. So I run downstairs to see what's going on, and holy cow. Yeah, I've got 7 inches of water flooding through the basement. My bedroom. My basement, my bedroom, that's the craft room, that's everything, that's unhinged area, all of it. Jump down in to find out what's going on, come around the corner, and guess what? It's all coming up out of my toilet. Basically created $27,000 worth of damage to the house. And after that, I spent basically all last summer redoing this down here, getting everything done on this side, so we've got our bedroom back and all that stuff back, and all that's finally done, and it's time to take care of other things. This is, you'll recognize from the videos, normally where I make all my videos and make all my projects. However, if you look, since everything got flooded out with the sewer water, now that I got my bedroom and the other half of the basement put back together, so my wife and I have a place to rest at night and sleep, and I'm finally getting back to this room. And this room is where I can create generally my mess, make my stuff, and the rest of the house isn't a mess, and I don't have to worry about all that good stuff.
Well, I guess now is as good a time as any to interrupt the video, just thought I'd put out there. Figure if you guys want to show some support, you can check out the Patreon link below. That'd be great. You don't have to be a Patreon, but if you want to be, that could help out a little bit. Maybe could. If Patreon's not your thing, if you guys would at least give this video a like. I mean, if you really like what I do, not even if you really like what I do. I mean, if you just whatever, if you turn these things on and just passes the time or whatever, it's kind of noise in the background, give the video a like anyway. It helps out. That'd be great. Thanks.
I'm sure if you paid attention in some of the filming of the Pumpkin Demon, that project started off down here, and then it wound up being finished up upstairs, up there. That's because this room right here is the way it is right now. So I haven't been able to use it. And anyway, I gotta get this finished up. And after that, I'll be able to focus on some more YouTube videos and making some more cool stuff. I got some cool ideas, and I want to make some of this stuff because I think it'll be cool. So anyway, I gotta get to work. All right, so I got some decent progress done today. You can see I got some mud all done along the walls and across. I'm really not, I'm not going to do much more than that. I'm not really going to finish that stuff out. I'm just going to kind of sand it down and call it good. I really don't know if I'm even going to paint over that, because I just need to get the desk back up. The desk I normally work on, the baseboard just goes across that, and then the actual desk is right above that line, so you can't even see that stuff, that bottom portion. When I'm doing any of my filming or my videos, so I'm really not sure I'm even gonna mess with dealing with that. But we're gonna put the desk back. I'm gonna put a different desk in, so I can get some different angles when I do this stuff. Anyway, yes, more videos to come. I just got to get this knocked out, and I got to get basically my studio back together again so I can do some more stuff. If you guys want to see updates on this being done or whatever, where I'm at in these stages, leave a comment below. Let me know if you do. Maybe I'll do another progress video on getting this thing put back together. But you know what? You guys should go out and make something from nothing.
I want to give a huge shout out to my 2 Patreons I got. You know what? Two's better than none. One is Les Olson, and then the other, I want to give a huge shout out to my newest Patreon, and that is Jim Brotz. Brotz. Hopefully I said that right. If I did, good. If I didn't, you know, don't get too mad. But anyway, yeah, thanks a lot, you guys. I appreciate, I do. I appreciate the support. Now, if we get going, you know, we should probably close this thing out before I talk too much. So